Hello everyone, welcome to QA Connect, where you will learn everything you need to excel as a QA or as an automation expert or as a tech expert, right? So make sure to subscribe uh, and click the bell icon to stay updated on the best tips, tricks, and tutorials. Right, so let's get started with this video. So in today's video, uh, we are going to demonstrate one of the most important questions that is asked in the interviews, like how to swap two strings without using the third variable or without using any temp variable, right? Or the interviewer can ask this question in a different way, like how to swap two strings by using substring method, right? So let's start with the video. So first of all, I'll create a class swap two strings without temp variable, right? Okay, so I'm taking the main method. As you know that without main method you cannot run Java program, right? So what I'll need first is I need a string. I'm taking a string 1, str1 is equal to hello, right? And there is another string str2 is equal to world, right? Okay, so these two are the strings that I'm having, and I want the output as, what is the output? I want str1 to hold the value of str2, I mean the value of string 2, that is world, and string 2 to hold the value of string 1, and that is hello. So I want the output as this, like I want the value of world in string 1 and the value of hello in string 2. So how I'll do that, I'll write the logic and I'll try to demonstrate that or explain you, right? So first of all, what I'll do, I will concatenate string 1 and string 2 and assign that value to any of these two strings. So I'll assign str1 is equal to str1 plus str2. Okay, so in this way, what we will get in str1, we will get hello world, like this, like it will concatenate a string 1 and string 2, so it will be giving hello world, right? If you want, I can give you the output of this. So what str1 will hold now is hello world. Wait, I'll run, right? So hello world, right? And what is the value in str2 at this point of time? If I check, it is still world. So I'll run this program. You can check the value is still world, right? Okay, so but I want str1 or string 1 to hold world and string 2 to hold hello. Okay, so I'm removing it. So now I'll use the substring method. So first of all, we need to understand the meaning of substring. So let's suppose I'm having hello. So what could be this hello world. So what could be the substring of hello world? It could be hello. Hello is also the substring of hello world, and world is also the substring of hello world. Or you can say he is also the substring of hello world, and you can say orld is also the substring of hello world, right? So substring is of course any string that is coming from the main string, like we are having hello world, so any string, or you can say we can only have the one character, that is h is also the string that is like the substring of hello world, right? So these are the substring, and we what we want, I just want, since I have concatenated uh, hello and world together, so it makes hello world, and from this hello world I will uh, take or get hello and put that into string 2, and same I'll get world and I'll put that in string 1. So how I'll do that, I'll demonstrate that. So what I'll do, I will, since string 1 is hello world, right? So I will make a substring of hello world, and that is hello. So how I'll do that? So uh, string 1 dot. So there is a method in string, and that is substring method. So what substring method returns is a string. So there are, I mean, these are the two methods, you know, there are two methods of substring in string. So what substring, this int begin index method does, it returns a string that is a substring of this string. The substring begins with the character at the specified index and extends to the end of this string. So what it will, it is saying, so if you are putting any index into this method, it will start from that index and it will give the result till the end of that string. So let's suppose I'll take this method. I'm just demonstrating about substring method. So there are two methods. I'm demonstrating the first one. So if I'll say 0, or if I'll say 1, and I will store this in str1 at this moment. So I'm just what I'm doing is I'm just storing the hello world, right? Hello world's substring that I have created now. So what is the substring of hello world at this point of time is, it is starting from index 1. So what is the index 1? So the 0th index is h, right? And the first index is e. So from e the substring will start, and from where till what point the substring will go, it will go to the end of this string. So what it will the str what dot substring 1 will give, it will give the substring as hello world, right? And it is storing in, again I'm storing it in str1 variable. So you will get, I'm just giving you the output. So you will, at this point of time, you will get the output as hello world, right? Let's check it, right? But you know, like this is the one of the method of substring. There is another method. So just removing it. So if I str1 dot substring, so there is another method of substring, that is this one. So this method takes two values, and these two values are the indexes. So first index is the begin index, and the second value is the end index. So it returns a string that is a substring of this string. The substring begins at the specified begin index and extend to the character at the index. Thus, the length of the substring is end index and begin index. So it is demonstrating as this, like this is the hamburger dot substring. So if you say the begin index is 4 and end index is 8, so it will return urge. How? So begin index is 4, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will include. So begin index is the beginning index, and that is inclusive. And the end index is the ending index, and that is exclusive. So it will include the begin index. So begin index starts with 4, right? So what is the at the fourth index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the fourth index it is u. So from u it will start, until then it will go till the 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So that means it will give you the it will go to till the E, because eighth index is R, and since it is saying the ending index is exclusive, so eighth index will be excluded. So it will start from fourth, and that means U, and it will go till E, not R. R will be excluded. So in the same way, if I want this hello world, uh, and I will use this substring. So I'll do, like, if I'll check from 2 and till 5, right? So this is hello world. So from 2, it will start from 0, 1, 2. So L, right? So it will, the substring start from L, and from till what point it will go? So till fifth, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth will be excluded. So what will be the result of this substring? The substring will be LLO. So I'm storing it in, again in str1. So the result we'll get is str1. So the result we'll get is LLO, right? I'm just running it once again, right? So these are the two methods. Basically, I'm just giving you the explanation of these two methods as well in this video, uh, so that it will be like clear to you. Okay, so now I'll write my logic. So I'll fetch world and put it into string 1, and I'll fetch hello and put it into string 2 from the value hello world, that is concatenated, and right now it is in string 1, that is str1, right? So how will I do this? That so the value of str2, not str1, or yes, so value of str2 will be str1 dot, since till at this point of time the str1 is hello world, the concatenated form, dot, we want substring. So we want the substring, and we want the hello to be stored in string 2. So how it will do? So currently it is hello world. So the begin index will start from, since we want hello, so it will start from 0, right? And till what index it will go? It will go till str1 dot length minus str2 dot length. Okay, so there is a method in string that is length. So what length will give? As you know that the length will give the entire length of the string. So currently, if I'll say the length of str1, so what will be the length of str1? Str1 is concatenated form of str1 and str2, and that is hello world. So what will be the length of hello world? Complete hello world. So HELLOWORLT. So what will be the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So the length of this string is 10. And I am subtracting it from the length of str2. So what is str2? It is world, WORLT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am excluding the length of str2. So what will be the result? It will be the result like 10 minus 5, that means 5. So that means this will give 0 comma 5. So what will be 0 comma 5 in hello world? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So fifth will be excluded, right? As we know, I have demonstrated earlier. So fifth will be excluded. So when fifth will be excluded, what will be the result? HELLO will be the result, and that's what we want in str2. So I'm storing it in str2. So str2 will be hello now, right? Okay, so str2 we have created, and that is hello. So when str2 is done, string 2 is having the value hello. I want the value of string 1 again. And currently the string 1 contains str1 plus str2. That means both the strings, that means concatenate form of string 1 and string 2. That means hello world. So I want now str1 to store world only. So now it will be easy for you. See, hello world, right? And I want only world from this. So there is a method in a string, that is substring. So what substring method this index will return? It will start from the beginning begin index, like from where you want to start. So from where we want to start from w, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So from fifth index we want to start, and it will go to the end, right? So we don't want the hello here, right? So that is why we will say 5, and of course we are moving it. Now if I print the value of, we can say value in plus, or you can directly say, we don't need to say. So value, we want str1 and we want str2 both, right? So if we are okay. So now if we'll print, the value of str1 should be world and the value of str2 should be hello. Just a second, we need to run this program, right? So as you can see, the value is now, the value of string 1 is world and the value of string 2 is hello. So in this way you can swap both the strings, right? And this is what we want, or this is what we the interviewer want you to demonstrate, right? So in this way you can do that. If you want, I can explain this once again. You know that I'm using the substring method here, and this substring method contains two uh, indexing, right? So first index is the starting index, and the last index, beginning index and the end index. So end index will be excluded. So here I can also say, like, the if you know that the hello world, right? So once again I can also say this thing, hello world. So I have just like subtracted the length of the entire string, that is hello world. It contains 10 characters, so the length is 10, and I excluded the length of str2.length. So str2.length means that is world, the length of world, it is 5. So remaining will be 5. So I just started from 0th index and I just subtracted the world, the value, the length of world. So it will go till the 5th index, and since 5th index will be the excluded one, so it will only print hello. So in this way we have stored hello in string 2. So I think uh, this is enough for this video, and I think in this way you can explain to the interviewer as well, or uh, this will help you to swap, I mean, the two strings without using the third variable, right? So I haven't used third variable or temp variable in this. I had just used these two variables, and these two variables contains two strings only. So just swapped it. I hope this you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Happy coding.